Hello everyone. Today I am starting with the new chapter Natural and Synthetic Polymer. As there is not much explanation, you can do it easily. Put heading Natural and Synthetic Polymers. Natural and Synthetic Polymer. Heading of the chapter. First point. Note down. Write the definitions of, that is full 3-mark question we have. Definitions of monomer, polymer and polymerization. Monomer, polymer and polymerization. Polymerization. Write first one. Monomer. Monomer. Mono means one and mer means unit. Mono means one, mer means unit. So write down the smallest single unit. The smallest single unit which go on combining or joining with other units, joining with each other to form long chain of the polymer, by polymerization is called monomer. The smallest single unit which go on joining or combining with each other to form long chain of the polymer by polymerization is called monomer. Right. Example. Simplest example. Ethene is the monomer unit of polyethylene. Ethene is the monomer unit of polyethylene. Second definition, polymer. Second definition we have polymer. Poly means many. And mer means unit. Poly means many, mer means unit. So write the definition. The long chain compound formed by the combination of many monomer units by the process of polymerization is called polymer. The long chain compounds formed by the combination of many monomer units by polymerization is called polymer. Example, polyethylene. Commonly we call it as polyethylene. And third definition, polymerization. Third definition we have polymerization. Right. The process by which or in which the monomer units go on combining go on combining to form long chain of the polymer is called polymerization. So three definitions we have: monomer, polymer, polymerization. For polymerization, example will be joining of ethene units, to form polyethene is called polymerization. Just add one line. Monomer unit is also called repeat unit. The monomer unit is also called repeat unit because it repeats itself again and again. So it is called repeat unit. Like this example. This is one ethene unit, CH2 double bond CH2. It is joining with another ethene unit, that is CH2. So two CH2 units, they are combining. How these will join with each other? So see the next line. Double bond, this double bond converts into single bond. One valency is freer and one valency is freer. Similarly, this ethene unit, double bond will break up. One valency is freer and another valency is freer. These two will join. एक electron free है दोनों का. So these will combine to form the bond and we get two units combined. If this another third unit will come and join, CH2 double bond CH2, same process will repeat. Double bond converts this, double bond will convert into single bond. One valency is freer and another valency is free on this side. So again these two carbon atoms will combine to form the chain. So we go on getting this long chain CH2, all double bond converted into single bond. And how to represent it? So we follow the same rule here. We write ethene. This is CH2 double bond CH2. We have to write it in a bracket. N here. N is any number. Any number we can take 100,000. So this is ethene. We write the name ethene unit. That is on the left hand side. We write the name of the monomer unit. Then put arrow. On arrow we write polymerization. And any conditions required, special conditions required for polymerization, we can write on arrow. And on the right side we have to write polymer name. And how it is happening? Double bond converts into single bond. One valency is freer and one valency is freer. Cut the bond. Bond cutting shows that this whole unit will go on repeating itself. So this is repeat unit. In the bracket. Compulsory to show the cutted bond over here. This is polythene. And right here N. We write here N. This is polythene or polymer. So this is fixed rule we follow. On the left hand side we write the name of the monomer unit. Monomer and its name. Put them in a bracket with N number. Arrow polymerization. Then showing the repeat unit in a bracket with cutted bond and the name of the polymer on the right hand side over there. Okay. This is starting for the chapter.